start to walk, the knee is a little behind you. If you need to come from a plank, so this is a plank pose, drop the knees down, big inhale, and now as you exhale, start to bend the elbows. Do not let the chest go down, okay? Even if it's so much, it can be here. If you can go a little bit more, this is the position. And then all the way down. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, Balasana, take a break. And come up, okay? We'll do one more exercise to really warm up, and then we'll try to attempt the posture. Coming back over to the hands and knees. This one's kind of hard, but go slowly. Lift the knees off the mat. Here we are in a plank pose. We're going to bend the elbows this time, okay? So inhale, just bend slightly and take it up. Like you're doing a push-up almost, okay? Bend, take it up. 3 more times. Bend, take it up. Bend, take it up. Last time. Bend, take it up. Bend, hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up, push back, downward dog. Drop the knees, Balasana, take rest. It's very important to keep resting in between as well, just so that you give your muscles a break and you're not overstressing any of the muscles, okay? Inhale, come up. Now we're ready to try. It will take you some time to come to this posture, no problem. You just have to keep working on the drills that we did before. Lift the knees off the mat. Inhale. Move the shoulders over the wrist. And as you exhale, as much as you can with control, start to lower the body down. See if you can hold it off the floor just for a moment. And exhale, come down. Cross the hands, turn the head to one side, take a break. Come back, all the way back, okay? We'll just try that one more time and we're done, just one last time, and we'll call it a day. Now inhale, lift the knees up, hold it there. Exhale, start to lower, lower, lower. Hold it there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Balasana one more time. Let's do Balasana with open knees, toes touching. For a deeper stretch on the hips, go down as much as you can.
Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale, and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. So make sure your knees are getting sore and burned so that the posture is effective on your back and onto your thighs. Stay in this posture for quite a few breaths, and once you're ready, gently inhale and stand up tall and nice and relax.
So for this, you have to go on your all fours, your arms directly below your shoulder, your knees directly below your hips. Now first position, here, from here, you're going to go down towards the floor. So when you're going down to the floor, I'm not going to just completely fall onto the mat. I'm going to use my strength of my arms to control my movement. So my elbows are bent and I go down to the floor completely. So when I'm here, you can watch my arms. My arms are slightly behind my chest. I'm not here. This is for Bhujangasana preparation. I'm going to go slightly backward from here. And my shoulders are not in front. My shoulders are going to be back, and my scapula, your shoulder blades, going to be together, and your chest should be open. Now from here, you're going to lift yourself up this is the first preparation for Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. From here, you're going to straighten your arms. Make sure your shoulders are back and you lift yourself up and your knees are still on the floor. This is not the final pose. This is the first variation of Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Now, after you come here, now slowly lift your head up and look up. I'm not going like this. I'm trying to lift my chest up. So do not squeeze your shoulders in front. If you're going to squeeze your shoulders, that means you don't have enough strength in your arms. So for that you can just do Bhujangasana. If you want to develop more strength, I want you to keep your arms straight. Rotate your shoulders back and lift your head up. This is the first step. And slowly when you come down with control, you come down towards the floor. The second variation or the final posture is going to look like this. So you inhale, drop your head down, make sure your neck is loose, shoulders back, scapula together, chest open, and come forward and up. Now you're going to lift your knees off the mat. You lift your knees off the mat, you lift your chest up. This requires a lot of strength to hold here. So if you're not comfortable, do the variation one where you keep your knees on the mat. Drop your head back. Rotate your shoulders, lift your chest. Squeeze your thighs. As you exhale, go down to the floor. Now push yourself back into child's pose. For warrior number 2, it is kind of a continuation from warrior 1 and it goes like a flow. So let's imagine that we are into the warrior 1. So again, taking care of the alignment, and from warrior 1, so just observe in 1, your hands are tall and nice, creating length in your back, and for number 2, nothing changes in your lower body. Your lower body is just grounded and stable, no movement, literally no movement. And from here, for number 2, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So begin by standing really tall and nice, maintain your posture and bring your right leg forward just like this. And from here, as you keep your breath really normal, so take your weight, like basically shift your weight towards your right foot, and your left foot is really slightly off the mat, and slowly you're going to bring your body weight completely onto the right foot. So for that you need to really prepare yourself. So don't worry, you're not going to fall down. So be really confident in what you're doing. So it's after all yoga, so take it really fun. Okay, so from here, bring your body weight completely towards your right leg. It's okay to wobble, it's completely okay to wobble, but make sure you focus at one point, which is really going to help you go into the posture. So from here, shifting your body weight all the way towards your right leg and slowly extending the back foot really back and bringing your torso straight. And once you're ready, slowly bring your arms all the way up and look down. So once you are into the posture, just hold it for 3, 2, 1, and to release, slowly inhale, bring yourself all the way up and be gentle. So I'm sure you are going to master this posture. Try and switch your legs so that you strengthen both your legs. So make sure you practice this at least once a day.